guys, Sukropchik here again, and welcome to another song video. Ah, I love Mariana. Alright guys, so let's see this amazing song contraption. This is a frame passcode, and if we like send all redstone torches to a lamp, it will be activated. Yeah, really cool, really easy to make. It's really compact. So guys, let's don't talk about this thing because we need to go to the tutorial. Alright guys, so here is all things that you need to build with amazing song creation. So we can get started from the platform, which should be only 7 by 4. So let's start. Alright, we started from the display wall, which should be control your lamp. So you make like that. Alright, here we go. So it should be 3 by 3. Then you take your item frames, then place it on each corner of your 3 by 3 display. Then you place your torches into the frames and set up in the directions which should be like power the lamp, just on your imagination. Alright, here we go. Then you place a block just like that, a lot of blocks, yeah. Then you place comparators which should take signal from each of frames. Alright, just like that. Then you place number blocks just like that, and just like that. And I forgot very important thing. All your comparators should be on this lamp, with one lamp right here. Here we go. Then you place a block, a redstone torch right here, and a block and a redstone dust on top of this block. Then you place your redstone dust, redstone line, and here you should place your ray pitcher, set it to 1 tick. Then you place your redstone torch right here, and then you just repeat this process. So 2 redstone dust, ray pitcher, and a redstone torch, then again. So redstone dust, redstone repeater, redstone torch. Oh, sorry, redstone torch. Alright. And again, redstone repeater, redstone line, and a redstone torch. Here we go. That's very close to finish. Now you should to place here another blocks on this side and blocks on this side. Then you place the comparators of these blocks. And the droppers right here. Alright, I forgot to comment that. So here we go. And now you should place the blocks right here and the blocks right here. And it's very important about one thing, that here should be a slab right here. It's very important. Alright, you place a slab and redstone dust right here. Here we go. And then you should place your ray pitcher right here, set it to 1 tick. And then you place your block right here. Then you should place a lot of blocks, right? Just repeat with me. Here we go, because it's very hard for me to comment that because I'm no English very bad. I'm only on pre-intermediate level, maybe I'm on intermediate, but I don't sure. Alright, so because my mother tongue language is Ukrainian and I'm from Ukraine, but I also can speak Russian, so I can speak 3 languages. Yeah, it's very cool, I think. But it's not important right now. So just repeat this process on this side, and then you should break these blocks. And here we go. It's finished. Yeah, you just finished your redstone creation. It's really cool. And now you should to place all these items. Okay, here we go. I should delete some items which we don't need anymore. Here we go. I'm gonna delete it. And yeah, so we should to place all our tools and uh, dirt and our droppers, and it should be very placed correctly. Alright, so we start from this dropper, from the down dropper. In this dropper we should place one dirt. Alright, it's very important. Then you place one item, one tool, alright, and 19 dirt. Here we go. Here you placed 3 tools, and here you place 4 tools. And that should be almost completed. And now you can see that your lamp is on, and now you can just turn it back. Now you can see that your lamp is not on, and we can do it again. Alright, so, and here we go. You can see that your lamp again powered. And now you can cover this thing just like that. So blocks right here on this side and on this side. Here we go. And now it's fully flush and seamless. And now you have yourself a really cool building. It's completely seamless and flush redstone passcode on the frames. So if you really like it, sorry about that, if you really like it and like my video, so guys, make sure that you subscribe and leave a like on this video. So guys, anyway, see ya next time. Bye bye.